The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2021 Jeep Wrangler 4-door Unlimited. That's a 4-door with the hardtop. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo base roof rack system. That's the 60-inch Thule WingBar Evo load bar in black, also available in silver, paired with the Thule Rapid Gutter Low foot. So it's a no-drill installation, just clamps onto the rain gutter lip that you see there. Easily adjustable, easily removable. Because of that, locks are recommended. They're not included, they're optional, but not required. 165-pound weight carrying capacity and crossbar spacing of up to 60 inches. However, the customer opted to go much further than that to accommodate the gear he's going to carry. So this is just a quick walk around. For more pictures, pricing, details, availability, please click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.